Are you wondering if this mini drone actually has got automatic takeoff and landing feature? So yep, it actually has it. And you see, this is actually the buttons that actually do it. So when you actually pair both of them together, so turn it on, flip, flip this on and down, and then you see it's paired, and basically you can simply press this button and it'll actually like start to fly away. So I will do it like this so it doesn't escape from me. So you see, essentially as I press it, yeah, basically the drone will actually like go up in air. So when it goes up in air, it goes around 1.5 to 2 meters in height. So again, make sure there is sufficient clearance above it. And the second way how we can also take it off, if you maybe want to only take it off like small distance above you, you can simply like press this once and then again pull it up to like take it off, so just as you need. Okay, so yeah, it's getting a bit crazy since I'm holding it. So yeah, that's about it. Anyway, good luck.